Good evening. Let's start the Oxford Syllabus of Mathematics, book 4, D4 for O levels, chapter number 4, Vectors, exercise 4A, question number 2. Write down the negative of each of the following vectors. Let's start the question. As this is 4A, question number 2. First part, first vector is 12 minus 7. So in solution, we will multiply the whole vector 12 minus 7 with negative value, with negative 1 or negative sign. So it will become the minus plus minus, minus 12 minus minus multiplying plus. So this is 7. Now D part, minus 2 0 is equals to minus into minus 2 and minus and 0. It will become minus minus plus, positive 2 and 0 will remain the same. It's neither positive neither negative. And C part, we have 4 8 which is equals to minus into 4 8 which is equals to minus plus minus, minus 4 minus plus minus minus 8. Let's go to the D part. D part, we have minus 3 minus 12 multiplying minus sign, we have minus 3 minus 12. It will become minus multiplied by minus, it will be plus, plus 3 minus multiplied by minus, it will be 12 plus 12. And E part, 0 and 3 by 1 over 4 which is equals to minus 0 and 3 by 1 over 4 which is equals to minus 0. 0 will be neither positive nor negative, so it will just remain same, and this will become minus 3 by 1 over 4. This is the solution of the second part. And there is another question, question number 3. Question number 3. If P is equals to A 3 and Q is equals to minus 2 and A plus 2B and P is equals to Q, then find the values of A and B. Let's start the solution of this part. As P is equals to Q, so we will put both the vectors in equal form. A 3 is equals to minus 2 A plus 2 B. From this we have A is equals to minus 2, equation 1, and the value of a is -2 because x value of the first vector and x value of the second vectors are equal to each other. And the second value of y value of first vector p is equals to the y value of the second vector, so it will become 3 is equals to a plus 2b. By putting the value, we have 3 is equals to a's value is -2. Putting in this equation, we have -2 plus 2b. -2 will shift to the left side. It will become +2. 3 plus 2 is equals to 2b. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 is equals to 2b. 2 is multiplying. It will shift to the left side. It will be divided by 5 is equals to b. 5 by 2 is 5 is greater number, 2 is smaller this number. This is improper fraction, so we will divide this value, or we can use the calculator. The answer will be 2 by 1 over 2 is equals to b. This is the answer of the b and this is the answer of the a. I can solve this. 5 will be divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, minus 5 minus 4 1. So this is 2 by 1 over 2. 2 by 1 over 2. This is the answer of the B part. Solution is complete. If you need any help, any type of query, then let me know. And if you like my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.